So once you have nailed down these movements, here's a great way for you to get a little bit more familiar with each one. So throw them into a set of Tabata. What does that mean? You're gonna run the clock, following 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I want you to hit every single exercise that we just went through, take 1 full minute of rest, then come back to the top and do the same thing over again. All right, so if you wanna go through this one with me, I'll do it with you 1 round. So here we go, starting with deadlifts in 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna pick up that kettlebell, nice proud chest, soften the knees, we're gonna hinge the hips back. Now remember, we're keeping this really close to our body. We're not allowing that kettlebell to come forward by any means. I want you to pull the shoulder blades back and feel that tug in your hamstrings. Good, now keep those feet flat on the floor. On the way up, I want you to create as much tension throughout your body as possible. Nice work, and recover. In 10 seconds, we're gonna go for kettlebell goblet squats. So first thing we need to do is pick up that bell, keep it nice and close to our bodies, allowing that chest to be nice and proud. Here we go. Hips go back and down. Remember, we're having full control throughout every inch of our movement. We're not bouncing out the bottom. We're understanding that when our hip crease gets around knee level, that is enough to drive right back up again. Don't lean on that weight. Keep your eyes up. Keep your chest nice and proud and those shoulders back. In 3, 2, 1, we put it down. Next up, we have our chest-supported hinge or our chest-supported swing. So pick up the bell, bottoms into your chest, keep your elbows in tucked, soften the knees, hinge the hips back and forward. Good. Sending those hips back as far as your body will allow you to, keeping the feet flat on the floor, keeping the knees stacked over the ankles, drive through the hips at the top. What we don't want to do is lean back. If we squeeze our glutes, then we're able to stand up nice and straight. Recover. Next up, we have our kettlebell swing. So we've been working our way towards this. Kettlebells on the floor in front of you. Step back, soften the knees, karate chop and hinge the hips. Tilt the bell, snap the handle, hike it in, and thrust. As soon as you receive it, it's the eject button. Drive through the heels. For lack of better term, hump the air and squeeze your glutes at the top. Good. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Park the bell with control. Good. Shake off those legs. Up next, we have our kettlebell clean. Since we've been swinging and hinging with our hips, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the bell. Tilt it in. We're gonna go 3 on the right, hike, clean, keeping the elbow tucked, dropping it right back down again, but not casting too far away, keeping it really close to us. Park it on the floor, switch over hands, same thing goes. Keep it nice and close, elbow is nice and tucked into your rib, wrist is stood right on top of the elbow, everything is nice and tight. In 3, 2, 1, put it down. Relax, good job. Up next, and last but not least, we have our press. So bring that kettlebell to your chest with 2 hands, feet underneath the hips, press it up. I wanna see your head, ribs are tucked in, core is tight, and pull it straight back down again. Good. We've got 8 seconds. Inhale if it gets too much, dip and drive, keeping everything engaged and staying in control. Relax, bring it down, and now you can recover for 60 seconds and start that from the top as many times as you please. Great job. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, our top 6 kettlebell moves for beginners. If you like what you see and you want more content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. You can find out where to follow me below. Thanks for watching.